I'm here to talk to you about the AIRSTAGE Cloud Control. This new device is probably going to cut my travel time in half because I do commissionings, job site visits several times on an individual project for heat recovery and heat pump applications with the VU5 series. And once this control is in place, it will make me do remote commissioning, which I'm very excited about. Remote commissioning will allow me to spend more time actively with the contractors so that I can spend more time troubleshooting rather than driving down the highway to a location to do commissionings and/or job site visits.
As the installing or servicing contractor, you can get alerts from your desk with your first cup of coffee, and you can know about a problem before the building occupants know about a problem, which just blows customers away that you're ahead of service.
I believe it's the greatest tool on the market right now due to its ability and increasing efficiency across the board. You can monitor, you can pinpoint problems just with a visual aspect without leaving your computer. I believe that puts us Fujitsu ahead by a huge leap.
I recently just had a problem with some units and the contractor was stuck out on a job for almost 6 hours. So I talked to the contractor and I'll show you how to prevent this in the future. So work on getting this sold to your end user so that way we could have turned this whole thing into a 2-hour thing and we would have been done and out.
AIRSTAGE Cloud is going to be a game changer for not just installation, commissioning, but service and maintenance for years to come down the road.